Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to English Guide Friendly. Welcome to this English speaking practice. Okay, listen carefully. Today, we are going to do something very important. Very important. We are going to practice English using your daily routine. Now let me ask you, do you wake up in the morning? Yes. Do you brush your teeth? Yes. Do you eat breakfast? Of course. Do you go to work or school? Yes, every day. Do you eat lunch? Yes. Do you come home? Yes. Do you go to bed at night? Yes. See, every single person has a daily routine. And because you do these things every day, the sentences are easy. They are useful. They are practical. They are natural. This is why we start with daily routine English. Because if you can speak about your life, then you can speak English anywhere. Now, my friend, listen carefully. This is not just a listening practice. This is a speaking practice. This is shadowing. That means you don't just listen, you repeat. You don't just hear me, you copy me. You open your mouth, you move your tongue, you make the sound. So here's the method. I say the sentence. You repeat the sentence. You can pause the video. You can say it slowly. You can say it quickly. But please, repeat. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about accent. Don't worry about fast or slow. Just speak. Speak again and again. Because English is not a subject to study. English is a skill to practice. You don't learn English like mathematics. You don't learn English like science. You learn English like football. You learn English like cricket. You learn English like dancing. You learn English like singing. You practice, practice, practice. Every day, again and again. And today I will help you. I will guide you. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. I will give you time to repeat. Are you ready to start your daily routine in English? Are you ready to repeat, to practice, to speak? Okay, let's go. Morning time. Yes, morning time. You open your eyes, you wake up. Let's start very simple. Repeat after me. I wake up. Say it again. I wake up. One more time. I wake up. Good. Now a little bigger. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Say it. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Again. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Try another time. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Let's change the time. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Again. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Once more. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, now let's use another word. I wake up early. Say it. I wake up early. Again. I wake up early. One more time. I wake up early. Now, one more variation. I wake up late. Say it. I wake up late. Again. I wake up late. One more time. I wake up late. See? Already you know 4 or 5 different sentences. All simple. All useful. Now let's continue. After you wake up, what do? You get out of bed. I get out of bed. Repeat. I get out of bed. Again. I get out of bed. Maybe you stretch. I stretch my body. Say it. I stretch my body. Again. I stretch my body. Now, bathroom time. I go to the bathroom. Say it. I go to the bathroom. Again. I go to the bathroom. Then, I brush my teeth. Say it. I brush my teeth. Again. I brush my teeth. One more time. I brush my teeth. Another version. I clean my teeth. Say it. I clean my teeth. Again. I clean my teeth. Okay, now. I wash my face. Say it. I wash my face. Again. I wash my face. Now, let's make a small story. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Say it slowly. Pause and repeat. Again. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Good. Very good. Now breakfast time. I eat breakfast. Say it. I eat breakfast. Again. I eat breakfast. What do you eat? I eat bread. I eat rice. I eat fruit. I eat eggs. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink milk. Repeat each one, again and again. Now let's join. I eat breakfast. I eat bread. I eat fruit. I drink tea. Repeat that, again. Now let's make a longer morning story. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I take a shower. I put on my clothes. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile. I say, I am ready for the day. Say it slowly. Repeat it. Say it again, faster. Okay, let's do another variation. Every morning I wake up early. I stretch my body. I drink water. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink tea. I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. I smile. I say, let's go. Repeat, again. Now you see, morning routine is full of small, simple, useful sentences, and you can say them again and again. Now, let's move to the afternoon. Afternoon time. Okay, listen. Say it. In the afternoon, I go to school. Again. In the afternoon, I go to school. Or, in the afternoon, I go to work. Say it. In the afternoon, I go to work. Again. In the afternoon, I go to work. Now let's add. I study English. I study math. I meet my friends. I talk to my teacher. Repeat each one. Now, a lunch sentence. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Say it. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Again. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. What do you eat? I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I eat chicken. I drink water. I drink juice. Repeat each one. Now let's join in a small story. In the afternoon, I go to work. I work on the computer. I talk to people. I answer emails. I make phone calls. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink water. Then I continue my work. Say it again, slowly. Now repeat it fast. Another story for students. In the afternoon, I go to school. I listen to my teacher. I read books. I write notes. I ask questions. I talk to my friends. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat bread and fruit. I drink juice. Then I play outside. Say it slowly. Repeat. Say it again, faster. Evening time. Yes. Say this. In the evening, I come home. Repeat. Again. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. I watch TV. I read a book. Repeat each one. In the evening, I come home. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. I watch TV. I read a book. Now night. At night, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Repeat. Again. At night, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Now story version. In the evening, I come home. I eat dinner with my family. We talk. We laugh. I watch TV. I read a book. At night, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Say it. Repeat. Again. In the evening, I come home. I eat dinner with my family. We talk. We laugh. I watch TV. I read a book. At night, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Okay, my friend. Listen carefully. Now we are at the end of this practice. We finished morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We practiced many sentences. We repeated again and again. Now what do you see? You see that English is simple. English is not difficult. English is about practice. English is about speaking. English is about repetition. So here is my advice. Listen to this lesson again. Tomorrow, listen again. The next day, listen again. Every time, repeat. Every time, say it with me. Every time, your English will grow. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teacher. Mistakes are your friend. When you make a mistake, you learn. When you repeat, you grow. So keep going, keep practicing, keep speaking. Say this with me. I can speak English. I can improve my English. I will practice every day. I will not give up. Say it again. Repeat. One more time. Yes, you are strong. You are improving. You are learning. Remember, English is like building a house. Brick by brick, step by step. Every day, one brick. Every day, one sentence. Every day, one story. And one day you look back and you see, oh wow, I built a house. I can speak English. So smile. Be proud. You are doing it. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for practicing. Thank you for speaking. And I will see you in the next lesson.